Meaning of hypoglycemia.
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 Hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is a medical term that refers to low blood glucose levels. It occurs when the body does not have enough glucose to meet its needs. Symptoms of hypoglycemia can vary depending on the severity of the condition, but often include weakness, shaking, sweating, confusion, and even loss of consciousness. This condition can be caused by many things, including skipping meals, medication side effects, or underlying health conditions such as diabetes. Prompt treatment is important to avoid complications and may involve eating foods that contain carbohydrates, taking glucose tablets, or receiving injections of glucagon.